seminar about the topic is screen time and the display, TV and mobile. Myself Hashmit, I am studying 8th class in Surasa High School at Vemlavada, and my father name is Mallesham, my mother name is Rajeshwari. I have two younger brothers. One brother name is Kaushik, another brother name is Vishwan. Screen time, mobile, TV and display. We live in a world surrounded by screens. Do you know screen? Yes. Our phones, computers, laptops and TVs, tools learning, having a fun. But like to any powerful tool, we need to know how to use them well. Let's look at the upside and the downside of the time we spend looking at screens. Screens offer benefits used mindfully, advantages of the screen time and disadvantages of the screen time. Advantages of the screen time: educational opportunities, communication and connection, entertainment and relaxation, creativity and hobbies. Educational opportunities: a huge library, information, schools and institutions like projects, research and general knowledge, etc. We can use the educational apps. Do you know educational apps? Yes. Say. Yes. Videos like on YouTube to learn new skills in subject, the contact key, history or science. Next, communication and connection. Screens help us to stay connected with friends and family, especially who live far away, through video calls and messages apps like WhatsApp. They help us coordinate groups, projects and communicate easily with classmates and teachers. Entertainment and relaxation. Entertainment and relaxation is after a long day of school, watching a mobile and watching a TV, playing games like listening to music can be a great way to relax and unwind. Digital platforms can introduce new skills, art, music and culture, etc. Creativity and hobbies. We can use screens for creativity, like editing and making a music, our own music broadcasts. Let us disadvantages. Disadvantages of the screen time: spending too much time on the screen, or using them the wrong way can lead to problems like health issues, high stress, sleep problems, abnormal behavior. I studied whenever looking at the bright screens for hours can cause dry eyes, headaches and blurry visions, sleep problems. The blue light from screens and trick over into thinking it's still daytime, making it harder to fall asleep. If we use them right before bed. Abnormal behavior means it is badly behavior. Too much time sitting and at your screens means less time for physical activity, which is important for a healthy body. Social and emotional impact. Less face-to-face interaction. Spending all over free times online can lead to missing out on real